Your diesel engine is a workhorse, built for power, durability, and torque. But what if I told you you might be killing it slowly without even realizing it? Here are 5 habits that are quietly destroying your diesel engine, and what you should be doing instead. Habit 1. Skipping the warm-up. You jump in, start the engine, and drive off immediately. Sound familiar? Diesel engines need time to circulate oil and reach optimal operating temperature. Skipping the warm-up stresses the turbo, injectors, and cylinders, especially in cold weather. Let it idle for 30 seconds to 2 minutes after startup, especially in the winter. Habit 2. Ignoring fuel filter maintenance. Think your fuel filter can go forever? Think again. Diesel fuel isn't always clean. Water and contaminants build up over time. A clogged fuel filter reduces performance and can damage your high-pressure fuel pump. Replace it every 10,000 to 25,000 kilometers, or whatever your manual says. Habit 3. Letting it idle for too long. While short warm-ups are good, excessive idling is a silent killer. Long idle times cause carbon buildup, waste fuel, and dilute engine oil. This is especially harmful for modern diesel engines with DPF systems. If you're stopping for more than a few minutes, turn it off. Habit 4. Using the wrong oil or fuel. Diesel engines run hot and under pressure. Using the wrong oil viscosity or cheap low-quality fuel leads to poor lubrication and injector failure. That can mean thousands in repair costs. Always use manufacturer-recommended oil and premium diesel if available. Habit 5. Not letting the turbo cool down. After a long drive or heavy towing, turning the engine off right away can literally cook your turbo. Turbochargers spin at hundreds of thousands of RPM and get extremely hot. Shutting off the engine too soon stops the oil flow and causes premature wear. After a hard run, let the engine idle for 1 to 2 minutes to cool the turbo down. Habit 6. Overloading the engine. Diesel trucks are built for heavy loads, but there's a limit. Constantly towing at or above max capacity stresses the engine, transmission, and cooling system. It shortens lifespan and leads to costly repairs. Know your vehicle's towing and payload limits and don't push them every day. Habit 7. Ignoring warning lights. That check engine light? It's not just for show. Modern diesel engines rely on sensors for everything from emissions to fuel pressure. Ignoring those warnings can turn a small issue into a catastrophic failure. Scan for codes or take it to a shop as soon as a light comes on. Habit 8. Never cleaning or replacing the air filter. Dirty air filters choke your diesel engine. They reduce airflow, increase fuel consumption, and lower power. Worse, dust and debris can make it into the combustion chamber and cause long-term wear. Inspect and clean or replace your air filter regularly, especially if you drive in dusty conditions. Diesel engines are built tough, but bad habits can cost you thousands. Warm it up. Maintain your filters. Avoid long idling. Use quality oil and fuel. Cool your turbo down. Follow these simple steps, and your diesel will thank you with years of strong, reliable performance. If this helped you out, give it a like and share it with your fellow diesel drivers. Got more engine-saving tips? Drop them in the comments below. Subscribe for more auto insights, and keep your ride running right.